Dubai Financial Markets will introduce a pre-closing period to its trading sessions from May 14. They'll make closing prices more predictable and eliminate large last-minute swings, according to a statement from the bourse. DFM said the move was timed to come ahead of the inclusion of the United Arab Emirates in the list of emerging markets by index compiler MSCI at the end of this month, which is expected to bring more foreign investors to the market. Under the new rule, orders submitted within the last 10 minutes of trading, 1350 to 1400 local time, will accumulate for completion at closing. The bourse did not explain how orders would then be executed, but a Dubai-based trader told Reuters the exchange would hold an auction where a single price is set for all trades using a matching algorithm. This becomes the closing price according to local reports, adding that procedures such as this are common practice internationally. The auction aims to match as many orders as possible, but leaves out those made at extremely low or high prices. The addition of the pre-closing session, which neighbouring Abu Dhabi's exchange implemented last year, eliminates the last trade price factor in case it was not sensible and applies both to equity and debt securities. Renewable energy is providing more and more jobs across the globe. That's according to the conclusions of a report by the International Renewable Energy Agency, or IRENA. The Abu Dhabi-based organisation has calculated that the number of people working in the industry has risen from 5.7 million in 2012 to 6.5 million this year. The report, entitled Renewable Energy and Jobs Annual Review 2014, stated that China, Brazil, the United States, India, Germany, Spain and Bangladesh are the countries with the biggest job creation in renewables. Solar photovoltaic energy is the industry's biggest employer, followed by liquid biofuels, wind power and companies who use biomass and solar heating or cooling technologies. China is the country with the largest number of renewable energy jobs, larger than the figures for the United States and the European Union put together. IRENA estimates that one factor for this is the growth of solar PV technologies in the country, with the number of installations increasing fivefold from 2011 to 2013. The UAE is also mentioned in the report, specifically Abu Dhabi's 100-megawatt concentrated solar power plant in the western region, which opened in March last year. Concentrated solar power is one area with potential for job creation in the region, in fields such as construction and fabrication of metal structures, mirrors and glass for the plants, as well as related engineering tasks. Currently, there are about 50 solar companies in the UAE, almost all of which are based in Dubai. Empower, a district cooling services provider, is set to provide 120,000 refrigeration tons or RT district cooling services for TECOM Investments' Dubai Design District D3 project. The total value of the project is estimated at 750 million dirhams and will be financed through Empower revenues. D3's district cooling network will be implemented in several phases, the first of which is expected to begin in the fourth quarter of this year with a capacity of 10,000 RT. Ahmed bin Shafar, the Chief Executive Officer of Empower, was quoted as saying that this project is one of the largest and most important projects ever undertaken by Empower, adding that two plants, which will be following the latest standards in the district cooling industry, will be built to supply the requested load. The plants will include thermal storage and will use treated sewage effluents to be aligned with the company's strategy of sustainability and saving natural resources. Located close to downtown Dubai and Business Bay, D3 is expected to be the creative hub in the Emirates' flourishing design scene, with spaces for art, fashion and luxury outlets. The project will boost Empower's portfolio by 12%. Over the last decade, the company has built a portfolio that serves businesses, retail and residential developments that include major real estate developments in Dubai, such as Dubai International Financial Centre, Dubai Healthcare City, Business Bay, Jumeirah Beach Residence and Palm Jumeirah. UAE-based fast food chain Just Falafel announced on Sunday that it has signed a deal to open 57 stores in 3 European countries. The new outlets will be in the Benelux region of the Netherlands, Belgium and Luxembourg and will be operated by Wadi Degla Holding, in an Egyptian conglomerate that already has 27 Just Falafel stores in Egypt. Just Falafel has spread rapidly in the Middle East since its launch in 2007. It has also expanded to the US, UK, Canada and Australia. The new stores will be the first on mainland Europe and will gradually be opened from the end of this year. Commenting on the announcement, CEO Fadi Mallah stated that Europe is an important region for Just Falafel, as it represents an area of significant demand for Middle Eastern food.